Hey guys, it's me, Danyelle, back with another YouTube video. How are you guys doing during quarantine? Like, y'all good? Your family good? Hope you guys are healthy and stocked up. Cause I am. I have not left my house in so long. I don't know what the sun feels like anymore. It just is what it is. Cause I'm trying to get sick or get anyone else sick. I just wanna go outside, people. I just wanna go outside. Anyway, we are here for a specific purpose, and that is to find out how you can fix your dry hair because it's really easy. It's not easy, and I'm gonna share that in this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so the best way, honestly, for that I found, which is also the easy, well, depending, the easiest way to fix your dry locks is to, drum roll please, wash your hair. Wash your hair. So I think I mentioned this in my last video that I was concerned that like maybe it could be product buildup that it was causing my dry hair. And honestly, that's very real. That could maybe be why your hair feels dry. So you need to just wash that bad boy. Like, get your shampoo and conditioner and just wash it. Like, do the whole warm water rinse first to kind of loosen up what may be going on. Then go in real good with your shampoo. My favorite one that I'm using at this moment is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This is what I'm using right now. And honestly, I just shampoo that twice and I rinse it out with what is it, like lukewarm water. I know they said that you're supposed to like rinse your hair with cold water. I don't like cold showers. I'm not doing it to myself because I love myself, so I'm not doing that. So I try to do like lukewarm, as close to like cool as possible. And then usually I would follow up with a conditioner, which is like the same conditioner, which is the Strength and Restore conditioner. I'll follow up with that, but this time I didn't because product buildup is something that could cause your hair to be dry. I was like, let me really minimize the product that I use. So I just shampooed my hair, rinsed for a really long time because water is moisture. So I just spent a really long time rinsing my hair, like really working everything through it. And that was it. Like, honestly, that was it. Because I didn't use my conditioner, I just went in with my Aloe Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Y'all already know, y'all seen it many times on my channel. I went in with that, and that was the only time I used it this cycle. And then I sealed it with argan oil. Y'all already know I do not suggest using that oil. Like, so I'm not even gonna spend some time on that. But by just doing the simple wash with shampoo, put in my leave-in, seal it with an oil, that was a wrap. And that was last week, and my hair felt really soft and really good, and I was very happy. I was like, oh snap, like I fixed my hair. Like, my hair feels great. And I was a little concerned that with me not using the conditioner that like my hair would feel even more dry. It didn't. So if your hair is feeling dry, I would suggest you wash it. Honestly, just take a really good deep cleaning shampoo wash and your hair should feel better. And then if it doesn't, well, there's some other stuff we might try. And so on that note, I'm gonna go into like our YouTube comment street, since you guys did suggest a lot of helpful tips for me. So I decided I'm gonna share them in this video. So let me find those. Okay, so I have 3 comments that I want to highlight. The first one is from Nelly Swilla. She says, try an apple cider vinegar pre-shampoo treatment. All right, so my mom, who has sister locks, she actually does do that. Like, she mixes apple cider vinegar with I think with a little like tea tree and peppermint, don't quote me, but definitely apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle, and like she'll spray it on her scalp before she washes her hair. She covers it with like a shower cap for like 15 to 30 minutes, and then she'll wash her hair. So that was a very good suggestion, and I do want to try that because I know I mentioned doing an apple cider vinegar full head rinse, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to over dry my whole locks out. So I was like, if I just put on my scalp, that'd be Gucci, that'd be fine. So that was a great suggestion, Nelly. Next is our good sis, Locked in Christ. She said use aloe vera juice instead of water. I agree. I agree. So I think I'm not sure, like this slips my mind all the time. Like when I mention my water spritz, see, I'm doing it right now. It's not water. It is actually this 100% aloe vera distilled liquid from Georgia's. This is what I use. So it's not technically water, it's aloe vera liquid. So I am using aloe vera, and this is the brand that I use. And also, I'm going to try out using this aloe vera gel from Lily of the Desert on my scalp because, you know, I'm having these scalp issues, and aloe vera is all healing. So I'm going to test it out, and I'll have a video about that after like maybe a month because I want to like really test it out. So I will be using this aloe vera gel by Lily of the Desert. So thanks Locked in Christ for that. And then Reese's 2237 said that I should use a hot oil treatment, and I haven't tried a hot oil treatment since I've locked my hair. I used to try that as a loose natural, but I haven't since I've gotten locks. But I think that's a good suggestion as well. When I had my loose natural, I would use my favorite oil, jojoba oil. You know, honestly, when they be like, yo, if something ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm gonna go right back to this bad boy, jojoba oil. And what I would do is like saturate my hair in the oil. I used to do it like after I shampoo my hair, but I think because I have locks, I might want to do it before I shampoo my hair. And then again, shower cap, 15, actually I would do like 30 to an hour, and then wash it out and see what happens. And I have high expectations. I hope it cures all my ailments. But I will be using jojoba oil because y'all know that Shea Moisture 100% argan oil. I think argan oil is just not for me. It might be too light. I'm not like, it just does not work for me. So I'm going to go back to using jojoba oil. Okay, now checking out the updated comments. Bria Clark said, I toned down on the amount of products I was using. I make an oil blend of vitamin E, grape seed, and jojoba oil, which are very light and non-greasy. I also add a few drops of essential oils like peppermint and rosemary to aid an itchy scalp. And aloe vera juice is also what I use as my water for locks. See, that's what I be doing. She said it keeps them soft and feeling hydrated, and that's true. So she did mention essential oils like peppermint and rosemary. I've used peppermint, but I haven't used rosemary, and I'm going to do it. Like, I'm gonna do like a big like essential oil for locks haul, and I'm gonna make a video on that because essential oils are essential. Like, they're really good. So I want to like kind of break down like what you use for what, and that'll be like in a whole upcoming video when I like make that purchase. Stunner G said his scalp be hella itchy and he tried rice water and salt water. Literally never heard of that. Well, I guess I've heard of rice water for like growth, but I haven't heard about that for locks. So I'm like definitely gonna like look into that. That sounds interesting. Oh yeah, so Meta Mystic actually said, I know it's a crazy concept, it's not. But try just washing your hair with your favorite clarifying shampoo, rinse super well, put absolutely nothing in your hair, no spraying with water, no oils, no nothing. She says she's been using a daily spray with distilled water mixed with essential oils and other oils for over a year. She said her hair always felt dry and her scalp got itchy often. And she said she stopped everything and it took like a few weeks for her scalp to adjust, but now she feels like it's producing the natural oils. And she said that adding anything for her caused more disruption than it helped. I think, yeah, that's cool. I think she was able to figure out that, like, for her, it was the products that she was using. And yes, she said like just washing her hair and putting nothing in it, that's what helped. And again, I told you guys, I just washed my hair with shampoo, and then I did put in my leave-in. I wasn't ready to let go just yet, but I only put it in that one time. So I think this is definitely cool. I do that distilled aloe vera liquid with essential oils, and that works for me. So yeah, that was a good shout outs to her. Okay, and then Liza's Locs said she colors her locks, and because of that, her locks are dry, which could be the same for me. And she says she used equal amounts of her DIY rose / lavender water, distilled water, aloe vera juice, and a few teaspoons of vitamin E oil to spray with her locks and seal daily. And she drinks lots of water. I do recommend drinking lots of water. And she says she tries the Apple G 2-minute reconstructor. It helps to combat the dryness from hair dye. And then she says, oh, and she uses African black soap to wash her. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, and then RP and Trevor Marsh suggested a protein treatment. The only reason I'm like very not against using a protein treatment, but I don't really want to like rush to that, is because I'm nervous. I've never used them before, and I'm just nervous about putting that in my hair. That's the only reason. But she did recommend, I know Apogee is like a really good brand, so I'm gonna do a little more research, and then I might purchase and do my very first protein treatment. We'll see. I mean, more content for the channel, am I right? But yeah, those were those tips from you guys, my subscribers. Thank you so much for sharing. Again, all the products I mentioned in this video, I will put in links below. Do know that if you click the link and make a purchase, I might make a little something off of that. Thanks to you guys. Shout outs to y'all. And that's it for this video. Yeah. Again, stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.